Is Bondi Boost Anti-Thinning Shampoo truly a breakthrough for thinning hair? Or just another product riding the wave of slick marketing and bold claims? With a promise to reduce hair shedding by 93% in just 1 month, it definitely grabs attention, but does it actually live up to that impressive number? The brand highlights a formula enriched with rosemary to stimulate hair growth, plus a blend of other nourishing ingredients aimed at strengthening the roots and gently cleansing the scalp. On the surface, it sounds like the perfect solution for anyone struggling with hair fall or thinning. And to be fair, a lot of users do report some noticeable positives, especially the refreshing minty scent that adds a cool tingle during use, making your scalp feel awakened and clean. The lather is rich, and many people have shared that their hair felt softer, smoother, and more nourished after using it consistently for a few weeks. That said, the experience isn't universally amazing. Some users expected a deeper cleanse and felt like the shampoo didn't fully remove buildup or oil, especially those who use a lot of styling products. A few even reported that their hair felt a bit greasy or heavy after washing, which can be disappointing when you're expecting a light, revitalized feel. Then there's the price. It's definitely on the higher end for a shampoo. And while some felt it was justified by the luxurious texture and smell, others didn't see enough results in terms of actual hair thickness or growth to feel like it was worth the money. A net 93% shedding reduction? It might be true for a small group of users, but it's far from guaranteed. In the end, Bondi Boost Anti-Thinning Shampoo isn't a scam, but it's also not a miracle cure. It offers a pleasant experience for many and might improve the look and feel of your hair. But if you're expecting dramatic regrowth or major changes in hair density, you may want to keep your expectations in check.